In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace website so you're on the page where you want the form to live. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the site in the editor, not just the public view. This ensures you can make changes right away. Next, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode and reveals the on-page controls. You'll see the content areas highlight as you move your mouse, which is Squarespace's way of showing where you can add or modify content. Find the spot where you want your form and click Add Block. Squarespace uses blocks for everything: text, images, and forms, so you're simply placing a new block into the layout. If you see multiple insertion points, choose the one that aligns best with your design so the form appears exactly where you want it. From the block menu, click Form. This inserts a form block onto the page. A default form appears, usually with a few starter fields. Don't worry, you can change the title, fields, button text, and more. The goal is to keep it simple and clear so visitors know exactly what to fill out. Click the highlighted area that appears with the new form to open its settings and content options. Here, you can give your form a descriptive name so you recognize submissions later. Clear naming helps when you have multiple forms across your site. Click the next highlighted area to edit the individual fields. Select a field to change its label, placeholder text, and whether it's required. Keep labels short and specific. Think full name or email, and only mark fields as required if they're essential. Click on the default Hello text on the page and replace it with a meaningful heading for your registration form. A straightforward title like Event Registration or Sign Up sets expectations and helps with accessibility and scanning. Click the highlighted area again to adjust the Submit button and confirmation details. Update the button text to something action-oriented, like Register Now, and add a short confirmation message so people know their submission went through. When you're done, click Save. This applies your changes to the page. After saving, give the form a quick visual check on desktop and mobile to make sure spacing, alignment, and readability look good. As a best practice, submit a quick test entry to confirm everything feels smooth from a visitor's perspective and that your confirmation message is clear. That's it. You've added a registration form in Squarespace, custom